Hello friends, today's topic is Bayes classifier, a naive Bayes classifier algorithm. Naive Bayes algorithm is a supervised learning algorithm which is based on Bayes theorem and used for solving classification problem. It is mainly used in text classification that includes a high dimensional training data sets, and naive Bayes classifier is one of the simple and most effective classification algorithm which helps in building the fast machine learning model that can make quick prediction. It is a probabilistic classifier, which means it predicts on the basis of the probability of an object. Some popular example of naive algorithm are spam filtration, sentimental analysis, and classifying articles. Why is it called naive Bayes? The naive Bayes algorithm is comprised of two words, naive and Bayes, which can be described as naive. It is called naive because it assumes that occurrence of a certain feature is independent of the occurrence of other features, such as if the fruit is identified on the basis of color, shape, and taste, then red, spherical, and sweet fruit is recognized as an apple. Hence, each feature individually contribute to identify that it is an apple without depending on each other. Bayes, it is called Bayes because it depends on the principle of Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is also known as Bayes rule, Bayes law, which is used to determine the probability of a hypothesis with prior knowledge. It depends on the conditional probability. The formula of Bayes theorem is probability of A given that B equals to probability of B given that A into probability of A upon probability of B, where probability of A given that B is posterior probability of hypothesis A on the observed event B, and probability of B given that A is likelihood probability, and probability of the evidence given that the probability of A hypothesis is true. Probability of A is prior probability of hypothesis before observing the evidence, and probability B is marginal probability, and the probability of evidence. Working of naive Bayes classifier. The working of naive Bayes classifier can be understood with the help of this example. Suppose we have a data set of weather condition and corresponding target variables play. So using this data set, we need to decide that whether we should play or not on a particular day according to the weather condition. So to solve this problem, we need to follow the below steps. Convert the given data set into frequency table. First, you have to convert the given data set into frequency table. Second, generate likelihood table by finding the probabilities of given features. Third, now use Bayes theorem to calculate the posterior probability. So this is the example of if the weather is sunny, then the player should play or not. So these are the data sets. See the outlook, this is a play, rainy, yes, sunny, yes, overcast, yes. So these are the 13 data sets. So first, convert the given data set into frequency table. So weather, yes or no. So rainy, yes 2, no 2. Overcast, yes 5, no 0. Sunny, yes 3 and no 2. So total, this is a 10 and this is 4. Generate likelihood table by finding the probabilities of a given feature. Likelihood table weather condition, weather, overcast, rainy, sunny. So no 0, 5, yes 5, rainy में, no 2, yes 2, sunny 2, yes 2. Now calculate all. So 4 divided by 14. 14 in the sense, how to get 14 total? Yes or no? 10 plus 4, 14. Okay. So 4 upon 14 is equals to 0.29. And yes, 10 upon 14 is 0.79. इसी तरीके से हम इधर कैलकुलेट करेंगे 5 upon 14 तो 0.35 and 4 upon 14 0.29 and 5 upon 14 0.35. So probability of A given that B equals to probability of B given that A into probability of A upon probability of B. The probability of yes given that Sunny, the probability of Sunny given that yes into probability of yes upon probability of Sunny. So the value of probability of Sunny with yes, तो Sunny कितने है 3/10. Sunny 3 and 10. So 3/10 is 0.3 and probability of Sunny 0.35. 0.35 and probability of yes 0.71. Probability of yes 0.71. Okay. So probability of yes given that Sunny equals to 0.3 into 0.71 upon 0.35 equals to 0.60. Now probability of no given that Sunny equals to probability of Sunny given that no into probability of no upon probability of Sunny. So probability now to calculate probability of Sunny given that no equals to 2 upon 4 means 0.5 and probability of no is 0.29 and probability of Sunny is 0.35. Here is mentioned probability of no 0.29 and probability is 0.71. Okay. So probability of no given that Sunny equals to 0.5 into 0.29 upon 0.35 equals to 0.41. So probability of yes given that Sunny means probability of yes where occurrence Sunny equals to 0.60 and probability of no where occurrence Sunny equals to 0.41. The probability of yes given that Sunny is greater than probability of no given that Sunny 0.60 is greater than 0.41. So hence on a sunny day player can play the game. So this is the way how to calculate using Bayes theorem. What are the advantages of Naive-Bayes classifier? Naive-Bayes is one of the fast and easy machine learning algorithm to predict a class of data sets. It can be used for binary as well as multi-class classification, and it performs well in multi-class prediction as compared to the other algorithm. It is the most popular choice for text classification problems. Disadvantage of Naive-Bayes assume that all features are independent or unrelated, so it cannot learn the relationship between the features. Thank you.